Lesson 1: System Architecture and Hardware. At the heart of a standard computer system lies the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, which is primarily responsible for processing data and returning results. In the syllabus, the two basic components of the CPU you need to know are the Control Unit and the Arithmetic Logic Unit. The CPU performs tasks using machine instructions, where the opcode specifies the exact action to perform. However, in a standard von Neumann-style system, the CPU cannot process data directly from secondary storage devices like hard disk drives or solid-state drives. Instead, data must first be loaded into primary memory. Primary storage includes cache memory, ROM, and RAM. ROM holds booting instructions and firmware, like your BIOS. RAM acts as working memory. It allows read and write access for running programs, but is volatile, meaning its contents are lost when power is removed. So when you open a file, it moves from permanent secondary storage into RAM, where the CPU can rapidly fetch and execute its instructions. When looking at secondary storage, you will often encounter solid-state drives, or SSDs. Compared with traditional magnetic hard disk drives, SSDs have no moving parts, making them generally faster but more expensive per unit of capacity. Understanding this flow of data from secondary storage to working RAM, and finally to the CPU, is crucial for grasping how modern computing hardware functions together.